Need to do a quick flip through of this nature journal that I've been working on. The front, there is a moth under there, collaged area, and the spine, the dangles, and the back. It's 130 some pages. I have my book plate here, a dragonfly collage. I added this moon on coffee dyed music sheets. Here I made a leaf dress with this fairy, but it's a pocket that has my business card and note about how to use the journal. A Zendoodle, a little writing area. I left a lot of blank pages in here. Tea bag art. A belly band with my Dreaming Tree brochure and a collage. A dried rose and a ostrich feather. Some more blank pages to write on or glue pictures on. 130 some pages, so there's quite a few blank ones to add to your work. These are pressed leaves. A lot of the pages I've done some type of dyeing process to them. This one's one of my favorites. I added this little tiny pocket with the mushrooms. A lot of hand-drawn art in this book. And this moth, and then there's writing paper in here for them to add any notes. In the back of the card you can write on. The bug has little shiny rhinestones on it. All the pages, or most of the pages, I added lace or trim of some type. Another drawing here. Coffee dyed papers, oxide spray paper with a stencil, music sheets. These are coffee dyed. Another piece of artwork of the creek in front of my house and a little quote. Some more writing paper that I stenciled on. Oxide spray ink. A drawing. Since it's a nature journal, I tried to add a lot of little nature-oriented. This is the big tree in my yard, and this is a pocket with some stationery in it. Gel print leaves from the tree. Another pocket with a quote. Just is gel print. 1882 ledger paper. More coffee dye paper, a gel print, and you can write on here with a permanent marker. A little pocket here with some stationery, the footprint of the giant tree, and leaves and acorns. Another notepad to write. Gel print, coffee dyed paper, oxide spray paper, oxide spray. I've got some beads in this spine here. I think there's another spot that has beads. Here it is. Right there. Oxide spray. Some happy mail, and which is just odds and ends of ephemera stuck in there in the pocket. And these are little pockets with some drawings of birds popped in there, and a pinwheel, and a little postcard. A little collage and some more writing paper. All the writing paper, I actually did some oxide ink pads on it and stamped ducks on all these pages. a map, oxide spray, coffee dyed, another belly band with a drawing right on the back of that card, and more stationery and a drawing put in here. Redwood trees, butterflies, that's oxide sprayed. A little bit of lace there. A collage on paper bag. Some Japanese writing paper. Oxide spray, some more drawings in the writing area. Another drawing. Oh, this is collage napkin. Postcard. And some more art. A tab on the side of the page. Some more, another pocket with a raven. And then this flip out envelope. And it has some artwork in it too. Well, there's a feather and a dove feather and a little drawing of a chicken. It just flips shut like that and flips open here so you can see the page. And you can add quotes everywhere in here. It's got a little button with a charm closure and the back of the book. I've got 5 more nature journals to make. They'll all be different color themed. This one is mostly peach colors. And it's got nice fringy to this top and all the pages with the lace on them. And the closure is another piece of fabric that's similar in different spots of the book. And it just ties shut. And I made it a fairly large spine, so you have room to expand. And that is the one junk journal I finished to take. So the bead has a little owl on it. To take to the Artists in Cahoots.